So you've defined your ideal customer and you've had a conversation with that key decision maker about their status quo and the fact that it's not really sustainable. And the key decision maker has actually agreed that they want to learn more. They want to learn how you and your company can help them effect the changes needed so they can successfully address the challenges that they're facing. And you think, as Flounder in Animal House did,
oh boy, is this great!
Unfortunately, if you're like most sellers, you're going to fall victim to one or more of these three huge mistakes. Either you're going to share too much information, you're going to forget to message from your prospect's perspective, or your message will not, in fact, even differentiate you from your competition. No way, you say, this is what I do best, and I know how to sell my products and services. Now, I admire your optimism, but experience and data suggest otherwise. Here's what happens when you share too much information. Your prospect gets, in this order, stuck, irritable, bored, apathetic, and finally, they take no decisive action. And this just lengthens your sales cycle and it opens the door for someone else to steal the sale you've worked so hard to set up. Sellers that make themselves the hero of the story by talking about what we do, how great our products or services are, and how I'll make you successful, are messaging from their perspective instead of their prospect's perspective. And when this happens, you sound like everybody else. And again, you've leveled the playing field that you so skillfully tilted in your direction with your why change point of view. And lastly, if all you do is ask your prospects questions about their needs, you'll get the same answers as your competition because they're going to ask the same questions. And therefore, your solution is going to look, feel, and sound the same. And when your prospect doesn't perceive contrast in their options, they're either going to do nothing or they're going to force contrast on the one thing that they can, price. So to avoid this trap, you need to focus your conversation on your capabilities that help them solve a problem they care about now, that are unique to you, and that you can back up in a way that clicks with your prospect. Now, this seems so obvious, yet research shows that over 75% of sales conversations focus on the things that don't meet these requirements. They're all about what we call table stakes. To learn more, send an email to the address that's going to follow in a few seconds with 3 huge mistakes in the subject line. And as always, thanks for your time.